beautiful Cancer, and welcome to Floral Tarot Reader English. Thank you so much whoever subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot. I offer personal readings as well. You can check my description box and comment section. My WhatsApp link is mentioned. You can click on the WhatsApp link, send me a hi, and get a personal reading done at very minimum fees. I have another tarot card reading channel as well in Hindi that has around 35,000 subscribers. I'm putting the link here. You can check out my other channel as well for readings in Hindi. So Cancer, this is let's just get started with your reading. This is your love life reading. It will be a timeless reading, so whenever you will watch this video, it will surely resonate with you. So let's just get started. Keep your person's energy in your mind and heart, and let's start. Angels, higher beings, okay, death, and ancestors. Love life for Cancer in the Cancer, how it's unfolding. Okay, let's cut the deck. Let's see. Current energies of your person is the 10 of coins. Intention of your person is Oracle of Cups. This is Queen of Cups. Future action of your person is the High Priestess. Good. Your energy is the 8 of Wands, and future of this overall connection is the 8 of Swords. Sorry, Elder of Swords. Elder of Swords is King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Coins. Very nice, Cancer. Great. Good. Commitment, stability. Loving it, Cancer. I feel that you guys are of a similar age group. There's hardly any age difference, maybe 1 or 2 years of age difference. So whenever you guys have 1 or 2 years of age difference, it does not matter. It's like same age group only. I think you have a sales or a marketing related profession, and this person, your person can be into business, family business. That can be one case. And I'm loving your approach. I think you both are very, very stable people. Your careers are 10 on 10. Like career wise, you guys are absolutely stable. One. Secondly, I'm seeing that you both are like no nonsense person. No dramabazi, no casual, no FWB. Oh, they are getting involved in multiple people. Oh, you are getting involved in multiple people. No, I think Cancer, you and your partner, you both are simple. I saw 111 and I saw 222 right now in my camera. So this is a divinely guided connection as well. Like you both are like very normal people without any drama, without any fuss. You guys do your work. You guys go to your university. You guys value your family. You spend time with your friends. I feel you guys are like very old school lover. You believe like if you're dating someone, you're dating someone seriously. If not, no drama. And that is what I'm loving about this energy. If you're resonating with the words and with whatever I've said, then this reading is for you, Cancer. And zodiac sign. Let's discuss about the zodiac sign. I'm getting an energy, Pisces, another Cancer, Virgo, very strongly Virgo, Leo, and Libra. And whichever zodiac sign your person is, you can still watch this video. Okay, let's just get started with your reading. The current overall energies of your person is 10 of coins. I feel this person is at this age, or is at this like they're in this zone that they want to settle down. They are in this energy that Cancer, look Cancer, I'm not looking for any kind of time pass. If you are with me, you are my boyfriend, you are my girlfriend, or else I want to get married to you. So for many of you, this person wants a serious relationship from you, or either they want to marry you. With the Queen of Cups, King of Swords, and 10 of Coins, this is an energy of someone giving you commitment. Now commitment can be related to anything, either relationship commitment or either a marriage. Also in their energies, I feel if you have met this person's family, their family truly really likes you. They feel that, oh, Cancer is an absolutely wonderful person. So if you are choosing Cancer, it will be a nice addition to a family. And I feel that this person comes from a very legacy family. Like this person is having a great family business, or they have a very strong reputation. Like they cannot mess around with random people, or they cannot go and hook up with random people. They can't, and they don't want to. This person has a very high moral values, moral grounds. And in their energies, they want to offer you commitment within 2 months from now. Whenever you're watching this video, within 2 months from now, they're offering you either marriage commitment or relationship commitment. This person is in no mood to make you confused, to manipulate you, to cheat on you. No. With the Queen of Cups energy, they are absolutely in love with you. This person has not proposed you yet. I can see that clearly. This person hasn't proposed you yet. This person will propose you soon. Within 2 months, I'm getting an energy. 2 High Priestess, 2 8 or 1s, 8 or 1s is 8 weeks. With the Oracle of Cups energy, they're absolutely in love with you. Cancer, they find you extremely beautiful, loving, caring, nurturing person. Like they can imagine you that you will be a perfect mother and perfect father to their future children. Like they see you as someone who is very homely, who is very grounded, who has a lot of family values like them. I told you in the beginning that you both have similar life values, similar family values. Intention, they truly love you a lot. They want to create that emotional relationship, that commitment. Their future actions towards you as a High Priestess, their intensity towards you will increase. They'll become extremely passionate towards you. Your physical intimacy, physical compatibility will be 10 on 10. This person will really treat you like a king and queen. I'm not even kidding. 10 of coins, Queen of Cups and High Priestess. This person knows how to treat their man, how to treat their woman. Congratulations, Cancer, you have finally met a person who will be responsible, who will be loving, who will be caring, who will be the perfect man and the woman that you have always wanted in your life. Let's talk about your energy, 8 or 1s. You are absolutely feeling that energy, Cancer. If you're resonating with this video, please like you are in this energy that you are loving each and every time with this person. Whenever you go out on dates with this person, whenever you talk this person, you are feeling absolutely wonderful. Your intuition is saying that this person is truly meant to be in your life. You are enjoying, your physical, your mental, your emotional attraction towards this person is increasing day by day. You are enjoying yourself. Congratulations, you are absolutely in love with this person, Cancer. Enjoy yourself, and you know what, you're being your true authentic self. You're not pretending, you're not making a false image. You are like that, and you're loving it. You're finally grateful to God or universe that I have met a person who's truly like me. I think your core values, your core family values are the same, Cancer. Great. The future of this overall connection, King of Swords. See, King of Swords for me personally is the biggest energy and card of taking responsibility. You guys will take each other's responsibility. If you're a woman, you will follow all the duties of girlfriend or wife, etc. If this person is a man, they will do all the duties of a man, of a husband, of a boyfriend. In the future, I'm getting in, and also the biggest part over here is that your relationship, your connection is built on proper communication. No relationship is perfect. In every relationship, fights and arguments and etc happens. We all know that, right? Like no relationship is perfect. So you both are so good in communication. Your communication will increase. There's a lot of understanding, there's a lot of depth. And why a relationship has a lot of depth, understanding, is because they communicate their needs well. Whatever issues they are facing, they tell their partner that, oh, this, I'm not liking this, can you change it, can you fix it, or can we work on it? So this relationship will be very practical. It will be very, you guys will really adjust with each other, you guys will really understand each other, and this relationship will work on the basis of mutual communication, mutual respect, and mutual understanding. Of course, love is there, no doubt in that. Great energy. See, with the Ace of Coins, this is a stable relationship. This is a stable connection, Cancer. I'm loving it, Cancer. You should claim this reading right now. Right? Claim. Amazing. And if you have any other kind of issues, you can get a personal reading done. And this was your reading. And if you liked my video, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Floral Tarot Reader. Bye-bye.